Okay, it is Saturday now. Yesterday we got all of the mulch and the rock delivered, so our driveway is a complete madhouse. But I'm on the way, it's like 10 a.m. I'm on the way to Home Depot. I sprayed both of the sides of the house yesterday with the grass killer, but I literally was like going like this, like that was like, I know that wasn't the best way to do it, but I just had to be doing something, so I felt productive. Anyway, I sprayed it like that. Both of my hands are so sore today, like my wrists, they hurt. So I'm going to Home Depot and I'm gonna buy one of those like things you pump and then you know what I'm saying, spray it. I don't really know what they're called, but they're in like the garden center. Anyway, so I have to buy, and I've used the whole tub of grass killer on the sides of the house. So I'm gonna buy 2 more of the big grass killers and the pump, and I'm hoping that will help me to spray the rest of the yard because my poor little hands and fingers cannot handle it. So that's the plan. Okay, so here's the situation now. I just got back from Home Depot. I moved all of our container plants that were sitting all over the yard to our patio back there, just so I don't risk spraying them with grass killer. That would ruin my day. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get Richard to help me. He's gonna hold up like a box or like a plastic lid or something so I don't spray the plants on accident, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to spray the rest of the grass. It's like 11 o'clock right now, so I'm hoping that will put us in a good spot for that. I do want to go back over what I edged with, there's a trencher setting, so I'm gonna go back over it and see if that makes it a little, like a difference, like a little bit thicker or deeper. So yeah, that's where we're at. I also want to fertilize my boxwoods today, and I want to put the papers under the hose. And I sprayed that with grass killer yesterday, so it's almost dead. So hopefully if I do that last, it will give it time to die tomorrow. That's my plan. Okay, so this is what I sprayed yesterday. That has never been grass really. This is, I don't know if you can tell, it is dying slowly but surely. I sprayed this I like worked my way back this way, so I'm thinking it's just hopefully gonna. So yeah, that's a good sign. It's just been a little over 12 hours, so I think that looks good for 12 hours. I'll show you the other side too. I did that. Looking a little less dead, but I'm hoping soon. Hopefully by tonight it will look really dead. That spray does work though, because I don't want to walk on this because this is going to be our grass, just in case it got on my shoes. Over here, this has been like 2 days worth of waiting, and it is dead. So definitely dead. So it does work.